Today, I'll show you a creative way to add video inside your text using blend modes. It's a slick visual trick that looks way more advanced than it actually is. Let's get started. First, head over to the text tab and drag in plain text onto your timeline. Click the text box and type whatever message you want. Something short and bold works best. Then go to the right hand panel and make the text bold, large, and centered. Now, import the video you want to appear inside the text. Once it's in your media, drag it onto the timeline layer above the text. Select the video, and in the right side editing panel, scroll down to Adjust Colors. Look for the Blend Mode option and change it to Darken. Just like that, the video now fills the shape of your text, creating that stylish, masked look. You can move or resize both layers in the preview window to get the positioning just right. And that's it. You've created a cool video in text effect using blend modes in Clipchamp, perfect for intros, titles, or social media. If this helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Clipchamp tips and creative editing tricks.